Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. In a sale, right, this looks like reverse percentage changes to me. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 28%. The sale price of a watch, so that's the price after the reduction, is €198. So I'm going to imagine that we're in the shop. We've got the normal price. We don't know what that is. But when we reduce that by 28%, the new price is 198. Now, what would we multiply by if we were reducing by 28%? Multiply by 0. What's left? If you reduce by 28%, then 72% is left. So we would multiply the original price by 0.72. So to go from the new price back in time to the old, 198 divided by 0.72, 198 divided by 0.72 gives me a starting price of €275. And you could always check that by taking your €275, reducing it by 28%, and checking that you would get €198. So there you are, that's a question 5, so a relatively straightforward question on a topic which comes up basically every year. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.